Weigh out 0.75 grams of copper-2 acetate monohydrate. To do this, place the glassware on the balance and press the tare button. Once the balance has re-zeroed, take out the glassware and weigh out the indicated amount of your reagent. Do not weigh out directly onto the balance. Get as close to 0.75 grams as possible and then note down the exact value of the amount that you have used, correct to 4 decimal places. Next, add 20 ml of the supplied hot deionized water. Gently swirl the flask until a clear solution has been obtained and the solid has dissolved. Once this happens, add 10 ml of ethanol to your reaction mixture and put the solution to one side. Using a conical flask, weigh out 0.6 grams of glycine. And dissolve it into the supplied hot deionized water. Occasionally swirl the flask. Once the glycine has dissolved, pour it into the copper acetate solution and mix well. Note the color change. Allow your solution to cool for approximately 5 minutes until it reaches room temperature. Then place the flask for a further 5 minutes on ice. Once precipitation has occurred, collect the product using Buchner filtration. Assemble the filtration apparatus and connect the vacuum line to the vacuum tap. Fully open the vacuum tap. Swirl your product and carefully but quickly pour the mixture into the Buchner funnel. Pour about 2 ml of ice-cold ethanol into the conical flask and swirl to collect any remaining product. Then pour the ethanol through the Buchner funnel to wash the product. Finally, wash the solid remaining in the funnel twice with 10 ml volumes of diethyl ether, allowing your product to dry completely each time. Remove the hose from the side arm of the vacuum flask and then close the vacuum tap. Remove the funnel from the top of the flask and scrape the product onto a watch glass that has been pre-weighed. Place the solid in the oven to dry for 10 minutes. Allow the product to cool before weighing and calculating the percentage yield.